So friends, today we are here and today we are going to talk about machine learning. Machine learning is a computer learning and provide a performance that a task without a human being. The goal of machine learning is to develop a model and that can learn and predict and decide without any human effort, like human interaction. So there are several ways in machine learning. You can say there are four types of machine learning. The one which is supervised learning, and the second thing which is unsupervised learning, and the third is semi-supervised learning, and the fourth one is reinforcement learning. So we will go to one by one in every of that. So the very first one is a supervised learning. In supervised learning, you give a machine a data, you train your machine, you give him a label data, because label data, you give him a data which is you have in your excel file or anything. You provide a data and algorithm that will predict on the basis of a data which you give it, and it will give you an output. You give an input and it will give you an output. That's simple, right? Let's say I want to find a home, and I will write there my place where I want my home. I want how much bedroom I want and how much space I want, right? So it will predict me the cost and whatever the output may be which I'm finding for. And in unsupervised learning, we give data which is unthing. Let's say you can say a data which is not that well written, and then finding a patterns. You can make an input with the data, and it will recommend you on its own. Like you are not getting the output which is totally on that well development. So in an unsupervised learning, the algorithm is not provided with a label data and must find a pattern and a structure in the input data on its own. Example, supervised learning can include many things, like as I told you, like recommendation of the building and your houses and the many more things you can say. And the next unsupervised learning is about, like, it will give you a combination of supervised as well as unsupervised. So combination, it will have a label data as well as an unlabeled data. So it will take the input from a label data and it will predict you the value of an, if you give him a new prediction, new value, a new algorithm. So it will be a new thing for the data to give you analyze and give you a different thing. And